Well, this afternoon, we're starting off our time here kind of gloomy, right? We have low clouds with some showers out there, nothing significant, a little bit of some light rain. Temperatures not too bad, 63 here, near 70, Alabaster, Clanton, Alex City, Moundsville. Seeing maybe a peek or two of sun there, and that's why temperatures are a little bit warmer. While we're fairly dry with some light rain here in Birmingham, up near Jasper, Oakman, Carbon Hill, up 22. We do have a couple of showers up near Aniana, Springville area, back to Asheville and Steele, a little bit of some light rain for you. But overall, nothing too significant across the area. We'll continue seeing these passing showers gradually lifting the way back to the north, and it's going to open up the southerly winds to come back here, bring us warmer, more humid air. You can see it down near Dothan. We actually have some sunshine, but we're kind of socked in with a lot of cloud cover, and that'll be the case throughout the day today. Severe threat for today is going to be western Tennessee through Memphis, northwest Mississippi, and parts of eastern Arkansas. Level 3 risk there enhanced. Notice it does kind of clip northwest Alabama. The threat's really low. If anything, it develops. Basically, the thought is that some of the storms in Memphis will be dying out and possibly impacting northwest Alabama, but we don't have to worry about those here. So we're going to look at some showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder today. Temperatures get to about 70 degrees out there, and the winds are more or less lighter than yesterday. Our next system is developing out here to the plains through the clearing in Oklahoma and parts of Texas, but snow on the back side of this. But parents in Colorado may get a foot of snow out of that system. We, unfortunately, are going to get the severe weather from it between noon and 10 p.m. Damaging winds potentially at around 70 miles per hour. Could see a few strong tornadoes. Flash flooding. We could pick up 1 to 3 inches of rain with this system, and some large hail tied in with it as well, too. There's the enhanced risk now encompassing really the western 2/3 here of Alabama, and this is going to continue from about noon to 10 p.m. tomorrow. The enhanced risk, a little better chance than the slight risk of seeing severe weather, but everyone does have a chance tomorrow of seeing that. The difference is the strong tornadoes, this hatched area. It does encompass Birmingham to Coleman, but back to Tuscaloosa, Fayette, Greensboro, back to Utah. We need to watch this area closely tomorrow. That is the best area where we could see some of those stronger tornadoes, and you can see here why. We look at thunderstorm fuel or instability, and notice how it increases quite a bit over the western part of the state, then quickly decreases here just after 3 o'clock once you get past Birmingham as the storms kind of weaken as they move off to the east of us. But we'll have strong winds out ahead of it. That also is going to be some fuel for these thunderstorms as well. So noon to 5 in the west, 2 to 8 across the Birmingham area, and then Anniston, Talladega, Alex City about 4 to 10 p.m. the timeline we're looking at for these storms. So Futurecast will show again. This is 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Couple of showers, pretty quiet all morning. There's that line by 1 p.m. just near the Hamilton area. Going to watch these for possible tornadoes as it moves into West Alabama as well by 3 o'clock. So we need to keep a close eye on that. Rest of us, just some scattered storms out there. Then we see more of them into Birmingham by 5 o'clock in the evening. Heavy rain will continue here as we go on into 7 o'clock as well, too. Severe threat kind of exiting the state here by 8 to 10 o'clock, but still some lingering rain. And then finally by the morning hours on Friday, we're looking at temperatures in the 30s with some sunshine coming into play by the afternoon. So be weather alert. Multiple ways to get weather warnings. Keep it tuned here for updates as well as our Facebook and other social media pages. 47 our high Friday, sunny but warming up as we go through the weekend.